I cooked tinola, chicken tinola, my husband's favorite. So, it's cooked already. I'm gonna put the malunggay, the horseradish. That's with lemongrass, the chicken, and the papaya. Here we go. We're gonna put the malunggay. Wow. So the malunggay, that malunggay is fresh. I just frozen it myself. Okay, let it cook. Oh, I can't wait. Sa malamig na panahon. Malunggay, chicken, tinola, chicken soup for dinner. O, diba? Ang sarap. With lemongrass and malunggay. Ooh, always chicken. Sarap niyan, guys. Let it boil, let it boil. Okay. Pagdating ng hubby, meron na siyang pagkain. Mga malunggay. Luto na yata itong ano. Yeah. Luto na ang ano. So, tikman natin. Oh my God, so good. That's my chicken tinola malunggay. That's it. Patayin na natin. Ayan na ang aking chicken tinola.